I started this look by sweeping the pink shadow from the Boogie Nights palette through the crease and along the lower lash line, followed by the purple shade from the Halloween palette on the lid and lower lash line as well. And with a layer of black in the outer V, I'm layering this metallic purple over the rest of the lid and lower lash line, finishing with metallic teal on the inner corners. With black liner applied, I can go in and add silver shimmer from the Rest in Pink glitter palette beneath the eyes. Cobalt Blue Colored Mascara pops the lower lashes, while Twilight false lashes add drama, especially when I creatively apply individual gems and parts of the gem face masks. With glitter mascara applied to the brows and Megalast lip color in Galaxy Blue on the lips, the look is complete. And don't forget your Wet n Wild black nail polish to finish the costume.